Alright, so let's say you have a math question and you get stuck on some problem. How would you ask the question? Well, let's say we're on our home course page and we're taking a quiz here, and suppose we get stuck on number 25. So how do you do that? What you do is you take a screenshot. You got to learn how to do that depending on whether or not you're a Mac or a PC user. For Mac, it's Command Shift 4. And what that does is it just takes a snapshot over here and it puts it on your desktop. Alright, so here's what you do. You go to your home course page, and then you go to the forum. This forum will take you to the forum for this course. And you say post a new question. So you say, how do you do this? And then you can actually just drag the thing over here and put it here, and this will upload it here. Tell it you want the full image, and you just ask the question. You click create thread, and you're done. And there it is. Now that's one way to create a question. The other way is to actually just type it in. So for that, let's just go ahead and use your second way of creating a question, okay? How to solve this. What you do is you type whatever you want. X to the third is equal to x plus 1. And if you do that, it'll look okay, but this is funky. So to make it really, really professional and really, really, really nice, you add these dollar signs and double ones if you want it to be centered in the middle of the line. And it'll make it look really, really nice. This is called LaTeX. Let's create the thread and see what that looks like. See, it makes it look really, really nice. If you want to learn more about LaTeX, or if you want to play with it, here's a little hint as to how to do it. You can preview it. X to the fourth is equal to 5, and it shows you what it would look like. Here you can get some hints. You could, for example, put the sum, and it would look like this, etc., etc. Then you can copy and paste this onto your question. Anyways, that's how you type math beautifully. That's how you ask questions. Two different ways. You can just post the image of the question, or you can type it yourself. But what I really don't want you guys to do is say, hey, can you help me on number 25? Because I teach a lot of classes, and your classmates don't know what the hell is 25, where at, and so it makes it really, really hard to find or to answer it. I'll probably just skip over to that question until I have really, really nothing else to do. If you post a question here or a picture, it makes it really, really easy for everybody to benefit from it. So please post a picture or copy the entire thing. Before I go on to the next thing, I want to point out on the quiz, if you have a question like this, say number 5, if you don't know how to type that, you can right click on it and tell it that you want to see the commands, and this tells you what the commands are, so that all you do is go to the forum here. I copy and paste that. Say I go to Calc 2 and I post a new one. All I did is I copy and pasted what I got from the right click, and I can preview it. You see it looks like that. So anytime you see here any kind of math in my website, you can preview it by just right clicking and see what the commands are if you want to know how to write something. Capiche? Alright, now it's a wrap up. So let's stop this.